Welcome back, guys. This is Atoshi Mining, and the withdrawal is coming up soon. Okay, this project we have been mining for over 3 years or 2 years now. All this is a coin. Eh? All this is a coin. I've just claimed my check out. I've just claimed, tap on it to claim it, to claim your Atoshis. Them every 7 hours, I think you come back and claim again. Another 7 hours you come back, or 10 hours you come back and claim again. Just be doing that way. Okay, it will enable you to accumulate more of Atoshi. Are you getting it? All right, this is my own Atoshi. This is, I'm able to mine 1 million plus of Atos. Can you see it? Atos. Good. So this is it. It's a testness airdrop also, because look at it, it has node. We are also running the node here. So that is it. I really abandoned my own for over 8 months now. I just started mining. So what to do, you come to bonus. After you mine, you click on bonus also. Okay, click on bonus. I've already taken the bonus for today. If you click on bonus, you see some human being pictures around here like this. You just tap on each of them. Are you getting it? You just do what? Tap on each of them to claim. Tap on each of them to claim your bonus. I think every 7 hours you come back, or 10 hours you come back. If you don't see every 10 hours, you check 24 hours, you come back and claim. Are you getting it? That's good. So let's look at here. They say click to here. They say reward to claim. You tap on this reward to claim. They are rewarded to claim. I've done mine this morning. Okay, looking at this plate, this is my total balance. Okay, total balance 958. All right, guys, and also if you click on this team combine power, this place, let me show you the place I'm talking about. This place, if you click on this team combine power, let's click on that place. Can you see team combine? This is where your referrals, you get to know those that have passed their first level KYC and the second level KYC. If you click on this level 1 pass, level 1 not pass, you get to know those that have passed. Let me click on this level 1 now. This is level 1. Let me click on level 1. You see people that my downlines that have passed their level 1 KYC. Are you getting it? Then if I click on level 2 not pass, let me click on level 2. You see, so the more they pass their level 2, not even level 1, the more they pass their level 2 KYC, that is how you be your USDT that you have been able to accumulate to be unlocking for you. They will unlock it step by step as they are passing their KYC. They'll be unlocking it for you. So I hope you understand. Let's go back to another important thing I want to show you. Click here. Click on the 3 dotted line up on your right hand side here. Click on that place. Click on it. Okay, see, they say where you still notice. Let's see what they're saying about the Atos. Okay, here now they said all referrals must earn 10 actively points. This is from June 1st. Then only qualified referrals contribute. These are the, listen to the criteria now. Daily check-in points, take tax completion points, boost challenge completion points. So take note of all this. Now look at, it must minimum 4 KYC level 2 referral to qualify for glory board. Make sure you pass your level 2 KYC. Okay, make sure you pass your level 2 KYC. Let's go. So let's look at another aspect here. Anti-cheat algorithm active. If you cheat, they will catch you. I hope you guys did not cheat. Mine it in a normal way. Okay, they say claim your rewards. Withdrawal submission window. This withdrawal we supposed to start 30th of May. May has come to pass. It said okay, from 30th of May to after allocation to June 5th. The processing starts from June 6th. Completion starts from June 13 to 21. Can you see what I'm underlying? It said check your quota. Take time to go through all this. Okay? We will know together we will make it. Our deadline submit claims by May. I've said this thing before, but May has passed now. So there's every possibility that they are listing. Their withdrawal will be taking place from 28th of this June. If it's not 28th of this June, you know that it will be taking place around that October. Subscribe and like and share.